Hi, this is Kathy, and I'm going to show you some things about end of the season garden. These straw bales were here for 2 years, and I know I can't use them again. They're absolutely completely collapsing into little heaps. And in theory, I could do a 3rd year just planting on the piles, but it isn't going to be stable and it won't hold anything really of any value. So I'm getting rid of it. I've taken up a few of the bales here. I'm getting started. We have this little strip of ground that's behind the fence. It's hard to keep mowed, so I'm going to throw a bunch of my straw back here for mulch. Maybe I can kill off some of this extra grass. If I want to, I can take some of the straw and put it over here in my round gardens for another layer of compost. Yeah, but you can still see the straw from last season. So I'm just going to top this off next year with some more good garden soil, and I'll replant and it will work beautifully. I've taken out a lot of the tomatoes that got the fungus. This is one that's left. It's still bearing. Not as much as it was, and I'll probably pull this up today. But I still have, like, this one's very young and healthy, and I'm thinking that's a volunteer that kind of got away from me. I didn't put it up on anything, and so the tomatoes are down where the slugs can get it. This one, I'm still getting some good low acid tomatoes off of this one. And my green peppers are still doing beautifully. Look at that. Can you see it? Anyway, I'm not going to throw any of my... I could throw the straw in here, but I already have enough from last year. So this garden I'll pretty much leave alone. As the plants die, I'll just take them up. And of course, I'll leave that asparagus growing in there until after frost. And then I'll trim that down to the ground level and let it grow again next season. But that's pretty much how easy it is. Everything that's useful I'm taking, or not useful, I'm going to take out as it dies. I still have some carrots growing here. You can see, so I'll be pulling those up pretty soon and see what the roots look like, and we'll have a lovely time munching on those. But the rest of the garden is pretty much kaput. So I guess I'll talk to you again next season, and we'll start fresh with some clean straw bales, which I have sitting here underneath this tarp waiting for me to move them in the fall. And here's my dead plants, and that's about all I can tell you for right now. Putting a garden to bed for the winter is pretty much a matter of cleaning up what's dead and just straightening up for the next season. So thank you for going with me through this year, and I hope you stay well and stay safe and enjoy whatever you can grow on your own. Thank you.